Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add your own signature to your documents and tags on Google Docs really quickly and with very little effort. So drop a like and now let us get started. There are basically two different ways how you can do that, guys. The first option would be to simply upload your signature, for example, saved in, I don't know, JPEG or PNG format on your device. To do that, simply open a document you would like to add your signature to and click on Insert here at the top. Hover your mouse over image here and select your source. Like for example, if you saved your signature as an image on your computer, select upload from computer. Or if you saved it on Google Drive, simply upload it from Google Drive, for example, or from Google Photos, and simply upload it to add it to your document here. Alternatively, guys, if you don't like the idea of uploading it from external sources, simply draw it manually. You can do that by simply clicking on Insert here at the top, then hover your mouse over on Drawing, select New here to the right. That is going to take you to the Drawing tool. And what you want to do after that, guys, is select the Handwriting tool. To do that, click on that arrow down icon here where it says Select Line and select Scribble from that drop-down menu. And after that, simply start drawing drawing your signature like you would do with your hand or on paint, for example. So let me do that really quickly. And once you're done, guys, simply save your changes by clicking on Save and Close here and position your signature on your document. For example, you may adjust its size just like that, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.